welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys an actually pretty good haul at Walgreens. Everything went by so smoothly and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, the first deals that you guys definitely want to do is the Scott's deal. Now, they have the Scott's paper towel and the Scott's toilet paper. So these are $5, usually always $5. It even says it right here. But this month in the Walgreens booklet, you guys can get $1.25 off when you use the Walgreens booklet. But you guys can also use the 50-cent off coupon. Some of you guys might have more depending on your area, but you guys can use a 50-cent coupon, making it $3.25. Now, there's also an awesome deal going on Fetch Rewards. Now, my Fetch did not catch these, so I had to submit that. So I'm just waiting for my app to do it. I mean, I love Fetch Rewards, but I feel like it never catches it, and I always have to correct my receipt. So I'm just waiting for them to adjust it, but it only just has numbers. It didn't even say Scott on it. So, but if you guys do this deal with Fetch Rewards, you guys will end up getting 1,250 points. That's equivalent to like $1.25 that you guys would get back with the paper towels. So the final price for this would be $2 for a 6-pack. I think that is a pretty good deal. So make sure you guys do that. So from $5 to $2, that is a pretty good deal. I have so much paper products, it's crazy, but you know what, I can't pass up these good deals. And then with the toilet paper, you guys would also, you know, do the same deal, pay $3.25, but then you guys will end up getting 1,500 points back now Fetch. Now, some of you guys may or may not have this. These are the bonuses, so you guys just open up the app, and it's the first thing that you guys see. But you guys will get 1,500 points, which is equivalent to $1.50 in points. So this comes out to be $1.75, which I think is a pretty good deal. So definitely do that deal if you guys are interested in paper products. I usually this is the month I'm stocking up on paper products, and then I need to take a break because I have so much. But that stuff never goes, it never goes bad as long as you keep it in a dry spot. And we keep ours in the basement underneath the stairs, you know, packed with our Christmas decorations. So they are always in a safe spot. Next deal you guys want to do is the Rojoto deal. Now this deal I think goes on for all month long, but these are $9.99 on sale. You guys use that $5 off coupon that we have in our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it free. So absolutely free. So I had to share with you guys on that deal. There's actually quite a bit. I got a few Ibotta deals to go on with this haul. The next easy freebie that you guys want to do is the Colgate Toothpaste. Now this deal you guys can do up to 4 coupons in one transaction, so you can do this deal twice in a transaction. You can also pay with points and get points. So these are $3.99. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $3.98 for this, but then you guys will get 4,000 points, making it free or a 2-cent moneymaker. So you guys can do this deal as many times as you want, and you can pay with points. Now, I did ask the manager who was checking me out, and I says, have you heard of anything about the new point system? She says, yes, it is going to be official. They're going to do it where you don't get like the bonuses. So if you guys have $50 in your account, that's $50 you can redeem. Before it used to be something a little bit different. But she's like, I'm not sure the date is. And I've heard it's about May 4th. But when I find out more official details, I will be making a video explaining everything to you guys. So start gaining your points up if you guys are interested. I'm just saying. But I think doing it the way they have now, I've accumulated more points because you can only redeem 5 at a time. So I feel like I've accumulated a whole lot more than what I used to beforehand. So they're also, you know, it's hard to say on that, but had to do the toothpaste deal. Now my store didn't have these marked, but I did grab the right ones, and then my register reward did not print off. I want your guys' opinion on this. When you guys buy something that gives you register rewards, do you pay with points? And if you do, does it print or does it not print? Because I'm having a feeling it's not printing if I'm paying with points. I'm not 100% sure. But I noticed that I have to go to the photo department in my store that I go to on Sundays for this thing to print. So I'm just trying to figure out ways. But the Mentos mints are $1.29. You guys would pay $1.29 for this. But then you guys will get a $1.29 register reward back, making them free. Like I said, mine didn't print, so she just gave me points for it. She ended up giving me $1.50 worth of points. And I says, you could just give me 1,000 points. I'm okay with that. She's like, no, I'll give you $1.50 worth. So just giving you guys a heads up on this, but you guys can do this deal as many times as you want. You just have to do separate transactions and do not use the same register reward for that. I ended up doing the OxiClean. Now my husband took some away that I already bought, but I ended up buying 4 of them. I had 2 of them that I got from coupons.com, 2 different browsers. I had a digital coupon, and then I also had one that I got from the newspaper that I ended up getting a different newspaper. Just because I always have better coupons, so I always try to get one newspaper in case I need to do 2 deals. So the the OxiClean is $2.99. You guys use those $2 off coupons that we got in today's paper. You guys would just get these for 99 cents. Now, be aware, I've seen people, I've already been on the Walgreens Facebook group. I'm in like 3 different groups, but there's one that I'm in a lot. And there's a person who, they wake up at midnight and they go crazy over this stuff. So don't try to clear the shelves, you guys. Just try to grab enough, enough for what you need and for what everybody else needs. Or ask your store if they can order some extras for you and see if maybe they can do that. But I always hear people always never get a chance because, there, and then I see people's like hauls on these groups that I'm in and they got like 30, 40, and I'm like, do you guys honestly need to get 30 or 40 of these all at a time? I'm not trying to complain, and some of you guys might be in those groups, but I'm just trying to make it equal for everybody. So definitely got that. Got the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. Now these were 2 for $7. I really like the Whole Blends, and this is the Honey Treasures. I like the, I forgot what one it is, but I get like a variety because not every single one is one that I'm going to use, and I do give, people stuff when people come and help me out. Like they'll come help me do something. Here, take some stuff. Like I barter with people a lot. So I always try to have a variety of stuff because you know what? I might not use it, but they might use it. So, but these are 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we have in the in today's paper. Plus, you guys want to use a $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll take it off by 2. So you guys will get these for just $2 or $1 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I always say shampoo for under $1 is a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, the next deal I went crazy. And this is a pretty good deal. I ended up doing the Kellogg's cereal deal. Now, most of the Kellogg's cereal is $1.88 on sale, okay? I had 3 off of 5 coupons that I printed off the Kellogg's Family Rewards. So if you guys have not joined that, definitely do that. You guys can get bigger coupons to print with your points if you want to do that. You can get prizes. I just keep accumulating. I need to just get new bowls because I have those bowls and I love the Kellogg's bowls, but mine are just kind of getting gross. So I should just suck it up and just use the points. But I like to hoard points. I don't know why. But you guys use those 2 coupons. Now, I did print them off the other day, and then they reset again. So just giving you guys a heads up. So you want to buy 10 boxes of cereal. You guys would pay $12.80 for 10 of them, which is an okay deal. I usually say you want to go about $1 for the size of these boxes because these are like 3 days worth of cereal. It's not very much. But in my Savings Star deal, I had buy 10, get $5 off. So I submitted my receipt. So you guys will end up getting all 10 boxes for $7.80 or just 78 cents a piece. Now, there's also a deal on Checkout 51. There may be a deal on Savings Star, but Checkout 51 does reset. There is a deal where you guys can get 50 cents back with Apple Jacks. So I ended up buying 3 of them. So I submitted my receipt. I haven't gotten an email back yet, but you guys will end up getting 50 cents back if you guys are Apple Jacks things. So these end up becoming, what, 28 cents a piece if you guys get the Apple Jacks, which I think is a pretty good deal. Now, my store didn't carry corn pops, otherwise I would love to get corn pops, but I ended up getting 3 of the Apple Jacks. I'm not a big Apple Jacks person, which I should be because I like apples and cinnamon, so I might give these a try. And then I always make sure to check my dates when I go to Walgreens, because their cereal doesn't sell as fast as like a grocery store would sometimes. So I got that. I texted the husband. I'm like, "What do you want?" He said he wanted the Frosted Flakes Honey Nut. So I got 2 boxes of that. I got 2 boxes of the Frosted Flakes, which is weird. 2 different sizes. That's weird. I got them from the same pile. I guess I should have looked at that. They're all the same price. So, one's a tiny little box and one's a bigger box. And then I ended up getting 3 of the Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops, because I love the Fruit Loops. I even love snacking on these. So, I think my cereal addiction is good until I have the baby. So, got that. The next deal we got is a Clean and Clear face mask. So these are the peel-off masks. These are $2.99 a piece. They're also buy one, get one 50% off. Now, if your stores have coupons, like Peely coupons, go for it. Just don't go crazy. But my store did it, and it's not a big deal. But anyways, you guys would pay $4.48 for buying the both of these. But then you guys can submit $2 rebates on Ibotta. So you guys will get $4 back with Ibotta, making these just 48 cents or pretty much like 24 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I keep telling myself I want to use face masks and I don't, but I think once the baby's born and I just need to sit and relax and I'll be sitting in the bathtub, I'll put a face mask on and be like, yo, I need this. The next deal I ended up doing is my store actually had a coupon sitting there in the beauty spot for the free Wet n Wild coupon. Now, I've seen people go crazy with these coupons, but my store just had one, so I just grabbed it. But there is a coupon in there for a free Wet n Wild liquid cat suit. So I ended up getting these. These are $5.29. So I ended up getting that. That coupon will take it right off. You guys will get it for free. I actually got one a couple weeks ago when I went to go. I don't know what happened to it, but that one I got was matte. This one's actually a gloss, and I like a gloss, so I thought this would be a pretty color to wear, and I'm going to wear these when I'm doing my videos, so it's going right in the Jennifer pile. So we got that, and then I ended up getting one last deal that I thought was a pretty good deal, and it's the Vino body wash. Now, these were $7.79. You guys want to use a 5 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's paper, plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll take off 2 and 2, so that's $4 it'll take off. So you guys will pay $6.58 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on this one and a $1 rebate on this one on Ibotta, making it just $4.58 or $2.29. So it's not the greatest deal, but this is something I rarely ever get. This is lavender, chamomile, and yangling. And it smells pretty good. So this might be some kind of body wash that I want to use in the future. So I ended up getting that to share. share with you guys. So that was my Walgreens haul. I think I did pretty good. I ended up doing 3 separate transactions, and the reason is because I hate holding up the lines, because every time I go to the checkouts, it's dead, and then I finally go, and then everybody decides to show up. So what I like to do is make my transactions a little bit smaller. So in case there's a big group of people, I can just kind of step to the side and let other people go. Plus, I'm not paying so much out of pocket. So, but I ended up combining everything to give you guys my total. So my total came to $33.52. I ended up getting $11 back with Ibotta. And if anybody asks, I am Team Yellow. If you guys are not sure if you're on the Ibotta thing, they have this like 5-color thing where you guys can get some money. You have to get about $25 worth of rebates to qualify, but I am Team Yellow in case anybody wants to know. Last time I got an email, I think yesterday, and it said I was in 3rd place. My color was, so we'll see. We're all kind of like right there, but Team Yellow. I ended up I'll get $5 back from Saving Star. I got $1.50 back from Checkout 51. That's for buying the 3 boxes of Apple Jack cereal. I'll get $2.75 back with Fetch Rewards, and I also was supposed to get the $1.29 Register Reward. So if you factor all those in, it came out to be $12.03. But then I also got 5,000 points. No, I got like 3-something points because it was a 10 times whatever. And then I also got 4,000 points for the Colgate, so I technically got about $7 worth of points. So my grand total came to $5.03. That's 27 items for $5.03, 18 cents a piece. I think that is an awesome, awesome, awesome deal. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But yes, I thought the cereal deal is a really good stock up deal, especially if you guys can get, you know, the Saving Star deal. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.